Alright, so guys, welcome to my channel once again. So in today's video we'll be talking about an awesome project called Grass. Okay, so this project actually raised whooping some of let's see the total money they raised. Okay, so this is the fundraise they made, 3.5 million USDT. So I'm going to show you everything you need to know about this project, how you can be able to use your data while browsing the internet and get their free token. Okay, so you can see that they actually have a golden verified handle. You can see it here. Okay, so it's a very nice project. So let's dive in and know how we can be able to utilize this project. And they have a lot of linkage on the ecosystem. You can see that they have varieties of web scrapers, their role. Okay, so in the ecosystem, and you have grass nodes, web server, storage, data analysis and preparation, model training. So actually new project. Okay, so I'm going to show you what you need to do immediately to get started. You don't really need to be mining on the app, okay, the extension, because their wallet is only on extension version. So I'm going to show you everything you need to know. So people are actually turning up for them, and this project, they are building a lot of crucial values in the ecosystem that can help the system to function perfectly. So you have to follow me step by step while I show you how to do that. So congratulations to those who actually got their airdrop on Aviv. Okay, so those that followed me right from the time I shared Aviv update, they're supposed to have at least you can boost of $50 to $200 from Aviv at their first release of the airdrop. Okay, so I actually gave out some percentages based on the score ratings that people actually got. So I'm going to show you what you need to do to get started with Grass. So I will make a new video right away to show you step-by-step guide. All right, guys. So guys, this is actually the first link you need to get started with. So as I always recommend, if you are doing an airdrop that requires extension, you actually need to install Mrs. Browser for easy access. So I'm going to show you why you need to install Mrs. Browser. First of all, they have extension integration here. You can click here to access the extensions you've added. You can see I have a lot of wallets here. Instead of using normal mobile app as my wallet, I can easily install the extensions for easy access. And also all I need to do is to save my passphrase, the ones that need passphrase, and that is all. Okay, so this is actually the Grass extension. I've installed it, so I'm going to show you how you need to do it. I will drop the links in the description of the video. The first link will be the link that will take you to this page here. You can see I'm on the registration page, but I'm not going to sign up, but I'm going to show you what you need to do, which include put your email, your username, password, confirm it. Okay, you tap on this, agree to terms, then successfully you register an account. Okay, so the next you're going to do is to go ahead and log into your account. Okay, so I've already created an account. I'm going to log into my, you can see it's automatically logging me in right away. You can see guys, I am already logged in. So what do you need to do to get started with this project? All you need to do is to connect your wallet. Okay, so I've already downloaded the extension. You can see I showed you how I installed the extension. So once you've installed it, it's going to show up there. Okay, so once you register successfully with the first link, it's going to bring you to this place. You need to tap on this connect. Okay, so you can see I've currently earned around 11,000. Okay, you can see my data is always on. Okay, this is about 6 days ago, and I've earned 11,000 coins. Okay, so you can see my lifetime earnings here. As of the time that I'm making the video, this is my 6th day on this project. So I'm going to show you the next you're going to do. So once you've registered an account, you might not actually going to have any earnings, but it will start dropping as you install and connect your wallet. So the very first thing you're going to do is, you can see it's connected. Okay, it's connected here, it's connected. So today I'm actually browsing and it's earning me some some grass tokens. Okay, so what am I going to do next is you will see this connect here. So you can actually connect here. You tap on this connect because you've not done this connection first. Okay, so it will bring you to this place. Make sure you turn on your browser to desktop mode by clicking here. Okay, so once you click here, you locate desktop site. But the advantage of using Mrs. browser is that even without desktop mode, it will still allow you to install an extension. So once it has taken you to this place, you need to click on this add to Chrome. Okay, so you add to Chrome. So because I've already installed, it's showing that I should remove from Chrome. Okay, so I'm not going to tap anything else. So once you've done that, it will bring you to this place. After adding it up, you will open it. Okay, you come to this place and you see the extension. So if you are using Kiwi browser, you also locate it down here. You click here. I think Kiwi browser extensions usually show up right here. You will see extensions listed down here if you're using Kiwi browser. So this is basically for those that will be using Mrs. browser like me. So I'm going to follow up now and complete these steps. So I'll tap here. You are going to see the extension you have added, which is this grass extension. You can see it right here. Okay guys, so I'll tap on this grass extension. It will open up for me. Okay, this is actually the connection, and it will also show you the network quality you are using. So you are doing great. Keep connected to their network to end. Okay, to this network to end. You can see it's signifying that the connection is actually accurate and it's working perfectly for me. As currently I have earned 11,000 grass tokens. Okay, so that is basically all about this project. I've shown you their website, the Twitter handle that you can literally access. You can see I'll go to my dashboard to take me straight to that website. Okay, so that is their dashboard. So guys, don't joke with this project. Once you've installed it, make sure it is working for you. Once you've connected, so you can go to your profile and see everything right there. So you can also change this to what is it called, you can change it to the daylight. Okay, or you can also change it to dark light mode. So that is basically all about this project. Make sure you are mining Aviv. Those who have not gotten their airdrop, you can actually signify in the comment section. Let me guide you right from where you're having challenges. So it's as simple as that. What we do here is to share various guides on how you can trap cryptocurrencies for free without investment. So I'll also be sharing some of the meme coins that I've actually bought, and I also recommend you buy if you have the money. Okay, so it's actually for the sake of the upcoming bull run, so that you have some coins to boast of. At least some of those coins can do times 50, times 100, or times thousands. Okay, so that is whooping some of huge amount of money in the near future. So guys, don't forget to give a like to this video and subscribe to my channel if you have gotten value from this. I've given you guide on how to install grass extension and earn free grass token. So thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.